An Abuja-based mortgage financing firm, Trust Savings and Funds Limited, is giving Nigerians an opportunity to invest in real estate development. Speaking to Channels Television in Abuja, the managing director of the firm, Mr. Muhammad Jibrin, explained that the investment has guaranteed interest of 20% for every investor.
Housing is one of the basic needs of every human being, but in Nigeria, there's a huge deficit of houses for the population. However, the sector remains the most promising sector in the country, going by the number of estates springing up in the country, especially in Abuja. Trust Savings and Funds Limited is introducing the Real Estate Investment Trust Scheme.
Real Estate Investment Trust Scheme is a unit trust scheme that will allow investors to actually invest their money in both commercial and residential real estate, and at the same time have the advantage of a common stock owner, in that those unit trusts can be traded on the Nigerian Stock Exchange, and at any point in time you'll be able to get in and out of that particular investment.
This is one effort that would address the housing gap in the country. Trust Limited is floating 400 million units of real estate finance shares valued at 50 naira each.
This particular rate that we are floating in the market promises to at least on the average provide you with a return of about 20% on an annual basis. That is number one. Number two, the dividend or the income that is realizable from this investment in the real estate will be shared each quarter. 90% of that income will be shared each quarter. So you are rest assured that after each 3 months you have income coming into your pocket.
The 400 million units in a 20 billion naira worth program is the first large-scale housing and real estate investment program targeted at the majority of Nigerians.
The opportunity that housing sector presents to investors is an avenue where you can diversify your investment base. It can guarantee you a very huge returns, and at the same time it provides a hedge against inflation. And that is why we think that the real estate sector is one of the most lucrative sectors that you can invest in today.
Trust Savings and Loans Limited prides itself as a leading provider of retail and commercial mortgage finance in Nigeria and promises to fulfill a simple objective: home ownership for low to middle income earners in Nigeria.